Hello, again welcome to Rushda's Food Corner. I'm again here with a delicious recipe. I make recipes simple for you so that you can make them easily at your home. So let's start our today's video. We are going to make Suji ka halwa today. It's a traditional recipe of Pakistan, in fact of subcontinent. So the ingredients that we need to make this halwa is 1 cup semolina, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of hot milk, half cup of purified butter or ghee, 2 cups of hot water, and for garnishing we need some coconut, some almonds, crush them like that, some cashews, and 2 to 3 cardamom. Now first of all, take a cooking pot and add semolina in it. Turn the flame on, but it should be low. Mix it like that. Now add cardamom, and then add purified butter or ghee. Cardamom is used to give it a beautiful aroma. Put all the ghee in it and mix it with semolina. Mix it very well. Mix it like that. When both the things are mixed, turn the flame high and cook the semolina very well. Now you can see that the color of the semolina is a bit changed. It has become a little brown. When it turns a little brown, add sugar in it also and mix it well with semolina. Mix it like that on high flame. After mixing it for 1 to 2 minutes, add hot milk and hot water in it too. And mix it continuously. We are now supposed to dry milk and water from it. So we will cook it on high flame. Until the water is being dried from this. You can observe that it has started getting thick. Stir it until water is dry completely from it, like that. Water is completely dry, and look at the consistency of halwa. It is no more sticking to the pot. Now turn the flame to low. Our halwa is ready. Now on very low flame, cover the halwa with the lid and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it will be ready completely. Halwa is ready. I have garnished it with cashew, coconut and almonds, and it is giving a very beautiful aroma. Try this recipe at home and give me feedback in comment box. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.